Today, you're going to learn about the grounding and centering exercise and also doing cord cutting and dagger removal process. So, sit in a comfortable position, and while you sit, slowly imagine a tube like structure going 12 feet inside Mother Earth, few feet down, 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now imagine all of the stress and negativity from your mind and body are going inside Mother Earth in the form of grime. As it keeps on going from your head to your toe, imagine that all of this is going deeper and deeper and deeper inside through the tube, 12 feet inside. As it all goes inside, the grime is going inside a beautiful golden well. All of a sudden, you can see the gush of black grime entering into this golden whirlpool of light. And this golden light absorbs all of the negative energies only to convert beautiful energetic golden light. Now this light converts itself into positive energy completely and slowly traverses up, back from the tube, rushes from the lower back to the crown and cleanses every corner of your brain and enters every part of your body. Now you can slowly cut off the cord. As you finish grounding, disconnect from the cord and slowly open your eyes.